What's up? It's your boy Mikeyyywill here. Just picked up this 1999 TRX 90 and we're gonna convert it to electric. Alright, let's get cracking. Oh wait, before we get into this, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, hit them likes, hit everything. We got more stuff coming soon. Yeah, we gotta take this engine and take it off. So let's start ripping out the spark plug. Boop. Maybe take off these plastics, maybe not. Let's see what happens. Alright, so gotta take off the exhaust, take the bolts off. It's only 2 bolts, whatever. Gotta take the bolt off the back of the frame. It's a tedious process, but it had to get done. So obviously you're gonna drop bolts and stuff. Make sure you keep everything together. And some people might be able to finesse it up out of there. That bike is so small, it's so hard to get up out of there. Exhaust wiggled out. Yep, ended up taking the plastics off. I only had one bolt hole, or one bolt there. Let's just knock these off real quick for the air box. Alright, come on. Got the carb off, took all that BS off. Come on. Yep. Oh no. Oh geez, I'm leaking. Oh. Yeah, took some pictures of where the previous motor was mounted, where the sprocket was mounted, how it looked. Took some measurements so we would know where to actually mount the mounts and mount the plate and everything and stuff like that. But there it is. Naked and afraid. But I had to take the original engine mounts off, like the top parts, because they would not let the electric motor go all the way back. I had to clean up a lot of stuff. I know nothing about welding. This is a good homie at the Golden Boy Fray. He does like drift cars and stuff. He's amazing at like all that stuff, and he's very good at welding. So I took it to him. Had the plates already made up by Quality Sheet Metal.
Do though for this side, I could probably use this too. Something like maybe I'll bend it further and use this as the connecting point or something. I'll figure that out in a little bit.
Everything was a process. It took maybe 3 hours, 3 hours and some change to make everything fit for the sprocket to work and everything. So rolling wouldn't be weird to the side or pitched or anything like that.
So I'll mark this, cut away at it.
Yeah, constantly grinding, sanding things down, making them look nice. And by the way, he's doing this with a leg injury too. Yeah, I can never do it this good. That's why I always bring it to somebody who can do it right. But we finally getting somewhere. Everything's finally starting to fit into place. Welding up some custom little points for the front part of the bracket to attach to,
Bendy on it and then trim off one area once we get the bend. Honestly, I could just put it out here and then we can do the bend. There we go. I think here with a little bend, just kind of push that.
Took a couple more measurements, make sure everything was up to par, a little more cutting. Because, you know, I don't know. He did a great job, by the way. I cannot stress that enough.
What you think, dude?
Immense.
You shabby.
I just can't wait to see what this thing's gonna look like in the end. Because I'm not sure if I'm gonna build a battery or use a pre-existing cell-on battery.
You good? You locked up?
Yeah, that's good right there. Yeah, some of these builds be easy and others pose other challenges, but that's how we looking. I think looking mint. But until next time, subscribe, like, and comment. Got more content coming soon. Part 2 coming soon.